The best week of my life.
The quality of the education has been brilliant.
It's just so much fun. We would want to do this every day.
I've had a really great week.
It was a fantastic week, really. So inspired.
So brilliant getting to work with everyone and getting to know all these other songwriters and the mentors.
Working with the mentors was just like the most invaluable work ever.
The mentors were amazing.
The mentors were amazing.
The mentors have been amazing.
And the food was class.
Learned so much about collaboration and really the value of putting a lot of artists in a room together.
As soon as you got into the room with like people who are just all alike, you're like, oh, this is going to be good. Like.
And I've had a great time writing songs with loads of lovely people.
And everyone's just been so supportive and really helped me get to a level that I never thought I could.
Whatever level you're at, come to this sort of thing and enjoy.
So motivating and quite wholesome.
The person that did the audio and visual was an amazing genius.
This course has just been absolutely fantastic. This week has been amazing.
I wish I could do this again, hopefully next year.
It was amazing. Thank you so much for everything.
I'm sad. I'm sad to go. I'm sad it's over. It was great.